Seems like you forgot again. So let me remind you. You've made it through things you thought would break you. You've stood alone in rooms where no one noticed your pain. You've smiled with a heavy heart, just to make others comfortable. You've survived days you didn't think you'd get through. Nights where your mind wouldn't stop racing. Moments where everything felt like too much. But here you are. You've been the strong one for so long, you've started believing that you don't need anyone. You forgot how far you've come. You forgot that it's okay to rest, that you don't have to carry it all. So, if no one's told you lately, I'm proud of you for holding on, for still trying, even when it's hard. You're not behind, you're not weak, you're human. And that's enough.